Hello everyone, this time I'm going to make a greeting card. It's a Mother's Day special. For that I have taken yellow pastel sheet, giving a half fold to it as a card, and the pink color strips with the same pastel sheets. Now here I'm taking clay and making some flowers to decorate the greeting. Making simple petals of flowers and joining it one by one. And black color in the center as a bud, and my flower is ready. Here are some flowers. Now it's time for leaf. Some leaves are already made. Now here I've taken 3 colors. I'm going to make beautiful small bees. For that, black and yellow color, very small strips of black and yellow, and we'll be joining it in alternate, one black, one yellow, one black. Just see how it will go. One after one, yellow and black, and giving the shape side by side to the body of the bee. I'll be showing you right now. Here is the body. You can see the stripes of both the colors. Now I'll be making very small tiny eyes with the black color. Very small eyes as per the body of the bee. See how it looks. And now for the wings, I am taking red color, small wings over the bee. And my bee is ready. See how it looks? Small tiny bees. Now here I've taken a small pink color sheet piece. I'm folding it, and you can see the difference of the size. Now I'm going to mark, leaving 1/4 inch from the bottom, marking on 1 inch, again leaving 1/2 inch and marking on 1/2 inch. Now lower 2 lines of 1.5 inches and upper 2 lines. That will be of 1 inch. You can do it in your measures also, but this will be the most convenient, I would say, as per the size of your card. See, I'm going to show you this. This is how it will be. And now I'm going to cut on the marks, and I'll be folding both the sizes which I've cut to both the sides, upside as well as now opening it very gently and flipping the cut portion to the opposite side. See, you can see a small pop-up box shaped. Now I'm going to take a origami red sheet and folding it, and here I'll make a heart so that I could get so many pieces of heart all together. You can see here are the hearts in one shape and size. Now I have some strips, and I'm going to paste the hearts on one side of the strip one by one. See, it will be like this. Now I'm going to paste these strips to the inner side of this pop-up box. one by one, very light glue, and paste it. Don't paste any of the things to the fold. Here, my pop-up heart box are ready. Now it's time to paste this small part to the inside of your card from both the sides, and here it will be like this. Now let's start decorating the outermost part. Paste the strips to the all four sides of your corner, and one by one the flowers and the leaves according to your choice of design. Now the time for bees. One by one all the bees, some on the flowers and in between the flowers. See, my card is ready. It's time to write messages. Of course, I love you mama is the best message, I would say. Here inside the card, it's Happy Mother's Day. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to give your valuable comments. Stay tuned for the next. Bye-bye.